fame up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat or the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. But fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Got together to do this music, the more we became enveloped, we just developed a fellowship. Don't make this no pretension, it's friendship. Me nemesis is soon, nemesis ain't for him, it's just me. You see the nemesis, the shit is no gimmick. Blood in and blood out. When it's beef, you just gotta know when the blood in and blood out. If there's a problem, we solve it. We don't resolve it. It usually just evolves in a flipping brawl, and we all get involved.